In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear recent history in your Shotcut video editing tool. As you can see, I have quite a number of recent history files and they are here and there are too many. So to clear this, all you need to do is to go to settings, and here is settings, then tap on it. From here, scroll down until you see an option called clear recent on exit. So if you select this and then go ahead and exit by closing it and then restart afresh, Shotcut will go ahead and relaunch. And now look at that, our projects and recent files have all been cleared. So by doing this, you'll get a fresh new Shotcut video editing program that is clean from previous records. So that's how you clear the previous records and clear history in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.